1 click, $50. 2 clicks, $100. 3 clicks, $150. How to do it? Soon enough, we'll find out. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn thousands of dollars using a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. Before we started, welcome to the Make Money Mindset channel, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Subscribe to Make Money Mindset and click the notification bell if you enjoy our video. Please pay very close attention to the end of the video. So, right now, I'm going to show you a free tool that we'll be using to make this kind of money, and this tool will take care of everything for us. This is completely free, and only a few people are aware of it. But today, I'll show you exactly what this tool is, how to use it, and how to profit from it right here. Before we go over to this platform and before I show you where you need to click, I need to explain to you what are mockups and what is a mockup design. So if you go over to Google and you search for what are mockups, that's going to show you that a mockup is a static design of a web page or application that features many of its final design elements, but is not functional. A mockup is not as polished as a live page and typically includes some placeholder data. It's useful to break down each part of that definition. Now let me go to images so you can see exactly how that looks. So I'll type in mockup. Let me just search for mockup design examples, and this is basically the mockup on many different products. Now you might be wondering right now how that's going to make you money for one click. Well, you will see exactly what we will be doing today. So now that you know how mockup works and what mockup actually is, let's go to the step number 1. Okay, for step number 1, I want you to come over to RenderForest, and this is over at their derforest.com. So this is a free graphic design tool that can help us to create different mockups with only one click of a button. You don't need any graphic design skills or experience to use this method, because it is completely beginner-friendly. As I previously stated, this tool will do all of the work for us. So you won't need any graphic design skills. All we have to do is click a few buttons and we'll be paid. Simple as that. In this video, I'll show you how this tool works and how simple it is to use. First, you will need to sign up for free to this website, which is RenderForest, and they do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to use that. You can definitely start for absolutely free without investing any money up front. Okay, right now, if you go over to the pricing plans right here, you will be able to see that their free plan is $0. But you also have different plans which go up to $50 a month. But as I said, you will not have to pay for that right now. So you will need to sign up for absolutely free. And once you sign up for absolutely free, I want to click on Edit Mockup right here, because they have to make logos, create videos, build websites, design graphics, and so on. But I want you to click on Edit Mockup, and then that's going to take you over to this page where you can edit the best mockups online with only one click of a button. You can add different logos to different places. You can have realistic looking mockups. So if you click on this one right here, for example, that's the first template that we can use. Also, for absolutely free, you will be able to see that with one click of a button, we can add different logos to different places. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this mockup. I will open it up. I will upload an example logo. I will wait until the logo uploads, and this is how it's going to look like once it loads. Now I have my logo as a markup right here, and I can do the same thing with all these different templates. And all these different design mockups on the right-hand side, it only takes one click of a button. And you can download it to your computer, so each time you do that, you can potentially make over $50 with only one click of a button. Now, in second step, I'll show you how to earn $50 by using the mockup design. I would like you to go to Fiverr.com and type in mockup design. you'll see all of these different people who are making money. For example, this guy's willing to pay this amount of money for a mock-up design. These guys are bidding for this amount of money, and it's probably gonna go up, and so on and so forth. So you can come over to Fiverr.com and sign up as a free account. It probably like 2 to 5 minutes, and once you've signed up, just create your own gig, and when people hire you, they pay you, and you just need to go back to Render Forest, enter their logo, then click once to download the image, and that's it. Also, you can try it out on Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and so on and so forth. It's really simple. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you make money online and more. Check out this playlist of my top videos of make money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.